It was an emotional moment in the Lagos State House of Assembly as Speaker Mojisola Meranda sat, overcome with tears, while members voiced their unwavering support for her leadership. Lawmakers also condemned the presence of armed security personnel outside the assembly, calling it an unjustified interference in legislative process.
Our fathers fought for democracy. Some laying down their lives for democracy. Is this the way to pay them? What has happened this afternoon is, to say the least, condemnable, reprehensible, worrisome, and pedestrian, so unprofessional of the GSS.
That the governor of Lagos State, that all our political leaders to stop this renegade before it reaches to death of any members of the Lagos State House of Assembly, because the House has been desecrated and armed to come to Chidimma with weapons.
The controversy surrounding the security deployment has only strengthened the lawmakers' resolve. They insist that a choice of speaker must stand and that no external pressure will deter them from upholding democratic principles.
On behalf of the entire members that seated here today, 36 of us that seated here today, that we have elected you as our speaker and that we have removed the former speaker as our speaker. Madam Speaker, we are calling on our father. He's a father of 40 members that he has raised over time, 40 members that he has nurtured to people we have today, 40 members that we serve him and he believed in us. Madam Speaker, we are calling on our president to help us.
That is the law. This is an act, a federal act, protecting the chamber from what happened today. So I want to join my colleagues in calling on the DSS to address the invasion of this parliament.
With political tension still high, lawmakers have passed a vote of confidence in Mojisola Meranda, sending a strong message that the legislative arm of government will not be undermined. In Lagos, reporting for News Central, I am Chidimma, Onah.